Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and a safe test server. You need Manage Server and Developer Mode on. Once done, use the bot invite link and select your test server, then grant the bot and applications. Command scopes. Make sure to accept recommended permissions so commands run correctly. You'll see the bot appear in the member list right away. If it's not visible, check that you selected the correct server and rerun the invite process. Next, run the bot setup or configuration command so you establish defaults. Use the / interface or prefix commands depending on the bot. Once connected, create a Lawliet role and place it above target roles so the bot can manage messages and automate tasks. Then set a default channel and choose a prefix. Enable modules you need, for example moderation or music. Make small changes, test a command, and iterate until the bot behaves as expected. Finish by testing all core commands in the test channel so you confirm behavior before full deployment. If a command fails, check the bot's status and logs, restart the bot, or re-invite it with correct scopes if needed. Make sure the Lawliet role sits above any roles it must manage, then toggle problematic permissions like Manage Messages or Manage Roles. If you still see issues, run a basic permission check and rerun the setup command to reapply defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.